Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you everything about RP dashboard, how you can register a student, how you can submit a student application to universities and track the progress. Everything I will be showing you today. So let's jump in. So I'm using my demo login credentials. So you will be using your own login credentials. You give your login ID and password, and this is your dashboard. So let me explain you first what is there on RP dashboard and how you can start registering your student and all of that. So when you log into your RP dashboard, the first thing is let us go through the menu section here. The first is this is where you are. This is called home. Then you have a checklist. So click on checklist and complete all of this. The first thing is accept ethical code. There is an ethical code which you need to accept when you, if it is completed, fine. If it is not, just you will see something like this. A blue text here under ethical code and everything. So click on it, read, and once you complete reading that, accept it. Once you accept, it will show as complete. The second thing, the next thing is upload your documents. If you are an individual, upload your personal documents like your national ID, passport size photograph, and others. If you are an organization, click on others and upload your organization registered copy. That is very important. These things are very important for us to understand that, whom are we working with. Okay. Then once you upload all of that, as soon as you would have registered in 24 to 48 hours time, our team would have verified your profile. And once you upload these documents, it will complete. Then you if you're actually here, which means your profile is already verified. So your verification is very important for you to register a student. And the next thing is upload your bank details. These are very important because tomorrow, once you start your business, once you start registering your students, and whatever incentives you're going to earn on successful admissions, that success incentive is released on the bank account updated here. So it is very very important for you to upload all these details so that everything is in track. And the most important thing is, wherever you're going, whomever you're talking, any students you're interacting with, the most important thing for you is you need to register students through your dashboard. If you're not registering, then you can send out, if you're expecting students to directly register, then this is the most important referral link which you need to share with your potential prospective students who are looking at studying in India, so that if they use this particular link, which means your student details are that particular student is associated with you. I'll show you I'll show you two ways how you can register a student. One, you can go directly click on create student and register here. I'm just using these details for demo purpose. Demo student, student. Okay, demo student, middle name, last name, and the student date of birth. I'm picking up this as probably a 20-year-old, so I'm taking probably 2004, January 1st. Okay, then I'm picking up male, a country Chad, 09785679, whatever number is the student. Please give a correct mobile number, preferably a number which is on WhatsApp. That is very important. Sorry, this is where we need to write city. Okay, so shared capital city, mobile number, email ID, and demo student at gmail.com. Or let me just give Maarifaa demo at gmail.com. Then permanent address of the student, you will have to pick Chad capital city. As I said, I mean, all these details are for the demo purpose, so please give whatever details are right. Now here, passport and citizenship details are very important of the student. They are optional at the moment. If a student do not have this, you can register. You can still go ahead and register student without giving these details. But however, these details are very important for a student to secure offer letter and go to Indian universities. Okay. Again, parent details, student father, student father, mobile number, email ID is optional. We have realized that I mean a lot of parents do not have email IDs, so not to worry. So business owner, student mother, optional, business owner, and submit. Once you submit these details, what is the error? The email ID is already taken. Okay, this is the email ID is already taken. So let's add the different email address. Please fill in the details. Business owner. Let us check all the other details. Yes, all other details are fine now. Should be taking great. So the student details are now added into this. Now, once the student details are added, student would have received a verification email. The student has to verify their email so that I mean student can start receiving the communication. Very important. Please inform all the students who are whom you have registered. Ask them to go ahead and verify their email so that I mean they'll start registering. Let us see if the student would have received. Yeah, here is the password reset. Student would have received one welcome email and two password reset email. A student has to reset the password so that a student can log in. I'm not going there at the moment because when I do that, I will student registration and student dashboard access video is already on Maarifaa TV. You can go ahead and check there. Now here student can register and start accessing that platform. So now from here, you can start uploading student academic information. Once you have registered personal details, you will start uploading academic information. If a student is applying for, if you are applying for a student for bachelor's program, which is undergraduation, class 10 and class 12 are must. In countries like Kenya, it is called Form 4 is class 12. In countries like Uganda, Rwanda, it is senior 6. So we need senior 4, senior 5, senior 6. And similarly, whatever is in your particular country, you please upload. Definitely class 10 and class 12 certificates are mandatory for students to upload. So you pick up the whatever certificate is you are uploading, you pick up whether it is a percentage scale or on a grade of scale of grade points on a scale of 10 or scale of 5. You upload and you write the exact score which they have obtained. So upload those details. If you are applying for masters, then graduation is mandatory. Okay. If a student has not studied class 12 but they've studied diploma, you can upload diploma and apply for bachelor's program. So that's very important. So you will upload academic details here. Then you upload the documents. Once you upload the academic details, you will upload the documents. It is mandatory for you to upload student documents before you apply to any university. Okay, so here you need to upload basic details like passport, national ID, class 12, class 10. So one of the school certificates are mandatory for you to upload, apply to university. The my request to you is please upload the right documents and right information so that when a university looks at the student documents, they are looking at the right documents and releasing the offer. If there is if you are applying for a if you are uploading a wrong document, or if you're uploading a document which is not valid, there is a possibility that university may reject the application form. But for now, for a demo purpose, I am showing some document to upload. How do you need to upload a document? Let's say you upload one document. I'm just uploading one document, and you upload. Okay, once you upload the document is here now. So it is very important for you to upload passport, national ID, class 10, class 12 for bachelor's, graduation for master's, and post graduation for phd. It is very important. Once you upload all those documents, you can go and apply to university. Now you can submit the applications here. Okay, now you click on this. When you click on this, you see how you can see undergraduation program. If you are applying for undergraduation, which is bachelor's, you click on this and you can select. Without getting into more filters, when you just select undergraduation and filter programs, you'll see all the undergraduation programs, which is bachelor programs, which are available. You can click here, look at the program details, where what is the tuition fee, what is the scholarship fee after scholarship. You will check all of that, then you apply to university. Okay. Now you may decide to check multiple universities. Now you are seeing Marwadi here. Then you want a specific specific program. You can go on and look for a specific program. Okay. So all the programs which are available, you will see here. For example, now under graduation, you want a specific BTech program. You want a BTech program in computer science engineering. You click on this and you'll see Marwadi University has got a computer science engineering AI. Then you'll see Guru Nanak University has got computer science engineering. Then you have computer science engineering from Inverti University. So you have multiple universities having that particular program. Now you want another particular program, for example, civil engineering. You go undergraduation, BTech civil engineering program. You click, you see all the universities having that particular program. Now you want a pharmacy program, you go on and click on pharma program. Click. There is no pharma program. Now you may want to check. Um, you may want to check BSc program. Okay, there's no BSc program here. Then you may want to go and select BSc programs. Oh, interesting. BSc, BSc, BSc chemistry. No programs. B Pharma, pharmacy. You see pharmacy programs here. So pharmacy programs are mapped under B Pharma. So please check very carefully. There are but 3 universities have got their programs. So please check. And once you check and once you decide which university and which program, you click on this apply button. The application is submitted. So you just click on this. The application is submitted. Once you submit the application, let me just do it for you now. Application applied. You go home and see you have created one student, you have got one application. Now when you click on application, this is where you see application details submitted. Now whenever a university changes the status, you see the status updated here. So you click on this, you see what is the updated. For example, if a document is mismatched, university will write it here and you immediately take action. So I would encourage you to come back and keep checking, so that you can keep working with your students. That is one way of registering a student. The other way of registering a student is take this link and share it with anybody, any student who registers. Let me just show you right away how it will work. So you've got uh, a link here, you have shared this link with someone. Imagine, you shared this link with some student, and the student clicks on the link and register. Let me just show you how does it work. Student, let me give my details. Venkat Gudipati, GV Ramana 77 at. This is my personal email address. then then country. As I said, I mean all these are for demo purpose. Now this particular student has already registered. Let us see whether it has got into our dashboard or not. See, you see a second student registered. So it's very important that when you share that particular link, and once the student register using your particular referral link, that student is connected to you forever. So as long as that student is on the Maarifaa dashboard, he is connected to you. He or she is connected to you. So this is how you register another student. Okay. Once you click on this particular thing, and the student profile is incomplete, you call the student and ask student to verify and complete the registration done. Okay. Now the another few other details what you have on your dashboard is, one, you can see how many universities are available on university dashboard. Now there are 5 universities available on dashboard, where you can see all the universities publish their courses. You click on them and you look at what programs they have, what they have submitted, and all of that. Okay. Now you can see that, I mean, pharmacy programs, PhD programs, every program which is available, you can check all of them. Okay. Then you go back to your home and you see that the incentive details, whatever you have, you're going to earn. All those incentive details are published here. You click on this and you will see the incentive details. Then there is one another important thing which I want you to remember is assigned coupon. So you will be assigned a coupon code which you can use it to offer map assessments to your students. If you have not assigned a coupon code, reach out to Maarifaa Central team, where you will be given a dedicated coupon code. Even using that particular coupon code, you can offer free career assessments to your students, so that, I mean, your students can when you go to a school, you can start offering career assessments, map assessment, which is Maarifaa academic alignment program, and using your coupon code you can give it to them at no cost. Now this is something, I mean, which is going to be acting as a lead magnet for you, where, I mean, you go, you offer free career counseling and encourage students to take the career counseling. Probably if you work with 100 students, out of 100, probably 10-15 students may be interested in going to India, and that will become your potential business opportunity for you. So all this is available on your dashboard. If you have any questions, please reach out to Maarifaa Central team, so that, I mean, we can help you. The next things what you have is all student details. You can click on this and you can see all the student details. Then update your profile. When you click on profile, you will see this section where, I mean, you can update your profile and detail. So this is all on your dashboard. I hope, I mean, this session is going to help you in creating your profile and registering your student applications and student profiles on the dashboard. I would encourage you to register as many students as possible and start nurturing them, so that this 2026 year is going to be absolutely most successful year for you. Together, let us build a wonderful business opportunity for you. Thank you very much.